everybody is first.
Joan.
For Person Joan Travels. Hey, this is our day 10 at sea vlog on the getaway. So for day 10, what we did is we got up, we jogged in the rain. Yes, it was raining yesterday and we got all wet while it was running. It wasn't raining hard, but it was wet, and it rained probably until about 11 o'clock when the sun came out and it was a beautiful day. So after jogging, went to the spa, did my normal morning steam, and got in the therapy pool, which was actually fixed, so the water temperature was actually reasonable again. And then got cleaned up in the spa, got a nice shower. I like showering down in the spa. They have lots of everything you need. Bathrobes, lots of towels, good soap, good shampoo. And then we cleaned up, we went to the buffet. And then, since all the ports were done, we decided we were gonna go take our picture. So we did all our port pictures, and that took 2 hours to take 13 pictures.
Out of how many? 200?
229.
It's lacking.
Took 229 pictures in the first 9 days, and it took us 2 hours to pick 13 of them. And of course, we had already bought the 8 picture, so we had to upgrade to the 12 picture, and we got 1 free picture out of that deal. So that took us to almost 12:30, and then we went and did some videoing. We did some video at deck 6, 7, 8 on the indoor sides of that, just so that we make sure we had the stuff. And then we walked it. We actually went up after we were done with the pictures. They had a big sale, 2 for $25 on port t-shirts. Port t-shirts. So we ended up buying 8 port t-shirts. I think we had St. Martin, the BVI, St. Thomas, and San Juan. They didn't have an Antigua one, but they did have a Bermuda one, of which a port we never made it to. So why would you even bother putting that out? That made me laugh. And then Joan went down and had some Starbucks while I went and played craps, and it was my worst day of playing craps. So as of now, I am down $40 whole in 9 days. They finally took their money back. We'll try a little tonight later. I really hate playing craps by myself, but it seems on this ship, if you want to play craps, you got to wait until about 10 o'clock at night, because nobody's playing craps during the day. But then we went and decided that they had Deal or No. We stumbled on Deal or No Deal while Joni was at the Starbucks, and we never played the bingo or the Deal or No Deal. So we decided, we got a card. It was $29 for 2 games. The best I did was 1 number on each game. You had to get at least 2 to get a free scratcher. You got in 3, you got a Ford photo. You got in 4, it was like $50, and then it kept going up. And that was nice. And then after we did the Deal or No Deal, we decided it was time to go do the rope course, but half of the rope course was closed because the winds, they wouldn't let you on the more difficult side. So we just did half the rope course. I think we're gonna go do it again, or at least I'm gonna go do it again so I can say I did the whole thing. And then we went and had lunch at the American Diner.
It was good. I had the spaghetti and meatballs. It was good, very filling.
And I was more traditional. I just had the cheeseburger.
And then we had nachos.
No, we had the nachos.
The nachos were okay. It wasn't like it used to be when it was a cost.
When it was margarita at sea.
Yeah, when it was a specialty, you got, if you've ever been to Margaritaville, you got the nachos. Here it's nachos, but it's just like the same from the local. You just get a small bowl, which is fine.
That's all we really needed.
That's all we wanted. I just wanted to see the big nachos. And then we had dessert, which was chocolate souffle, no chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse, and we only got 1 to split. And then Chris was like, that was good. I want my own.
It was small. I will say it was small. It was perfect for one person. Yeah. Sharing it with 2, we need another one. Of course, we didn't quite finish the second one, but it was pretty close. It was really good.
Very sweet.
And then after the American Diner, we went back down to the room, got our bathing suits on, and we went to Spice H2O and hung out in the hot tub for about 2.5 hours. It was nice. The sun had finally come out. It was nice. It was reasonable temperature. And at some point, about 4:30, I guess, I went and did the massage. They offer just outside the
off the deck.
Just outside the 15th deck. The 15 minutes for $25 back and neck massage, and oh my god, I got an extra 5 minutes. It was great for $30, but she really worked my shoulder, and she got the knot out of my shoulder that had been bugging me the last couple of days. Definitely worth the money and the time. That was fun. I enjoyed that.
He said it's better than a regular massage if they give it the.
Yeah.
You can, in the spa, you can pay for massages, therapies, and massages. But this sounds like it's much better.
This is like you see the guys at the mall, you know, doing it at the mall. The quick 15. It was a nice tune-up. It felt
That's
good. That's all I really needed. And then, I went back to the Spice H2O. Now we didn't have dinner reservations till 9. It was only 6, so we went back down to the spa. It was starting to get a little chilly out. Hung out at the spa until 7:30 when Joni went and got ready, and I went down and just worked on videos. And then we went to La Casina for dinner last night. That was very good. That was our second time there this week, or this cruise. The funny thing is, I learned my lesson the first time. Instead of ordering 3 things, I just had the salad and the lasagna.
So you get 4, you literally, it's a 4-course meal. It's so much food.
If you're doing it on the dining room, it's a 4-course meal. You get an appetizer, a starter, which is like a half of, like Joni got half a lasagna, and then she got a pizza, and then you could have had a whole nother meal if you wanted it, and then you could have had dessert. It was so much food. We were just like, okay, we've learned our lesson. So Joni just got the lasagna as a starter, and they only gave her half a serving,
which I thought was good. I'm like, it was good, and I'm like, oh, that's enough.
And then I got my entree, and it was twice the size.
His had. So next time, I'm just going to get the entree of the lasagna, and that really would be enough.
Would be enough meal.
Definitely enough.
So I had a salad and the lasagna. Joni had the lasagna as a starter and a pizza.
We did finish that, of course. Brought that back to the room.
We got that was for our late night snack.
Yeah.
And then we had, what was the dessert there? Cannolis. So Joni said she had never had a cannoli.
I don't think I've really ever had a cannoli.
So we got they give you 3 cannolis. I ate 2. She took the chocolate one, and she enjoyed that. And then after that, we went up to the glow party.
Yeah.
And we were up there almost an hour, having a good time. Everybody was dressed up, having fun. Not really dressed up. They had glow stuff.
It's supposed to be a white party, so you dress up in white, so you glow. And then they had this. I brought my glow sticks and stuff that I got from like the dollar store, and the glow necklaces and the sticks. We had those, and I had some glasses that I think that we got from Nicholas's wedding still.
Yeah.
So we had the glasses that lit up, and so that was cool. So we were just dancing. Then we gave a couple of our things to the kids because they're like,
the kids needed them.
It was fun.
So we got some video of that we'll throw on here. And then what else did we do? That was pretty much it. We went back to the room, and it was actually a long day yesterday.
Yeah.
Late dinner made me a little sleepier, so that actually worked out well. So that was our day 10 sea day. Look out tomorrow for day 11 sea day, which is going to be a lot more boring, I think.
Yeah.
And then we have a day 12 sea day still to do. And then we pull in. Then we pull in on Friday at, I think he said 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
to when the ship is going to pull in, which might be kind of cool, because that may be, if we stay up a little late, we might see the Statue of Liberty on the way in. We'll see.
Well, you just see it dark. Well, that part's lit up, yeah.
Yeah. So,
the bridge and everything's lit up too. So.
Yeah. So this is Chris.
And Joan from Chris and Joan's Travels.
Hope you guys like this.
Hope you're enjoying our videos. Hope you like following us around. See where we go to next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.